Hello everyone, this is Bertina Amy here and welcome to my channel. If you're new here, please like, comment, share, and subscribe for more videos. And otherwise, welcome back to my channel. I hope you find these videos useful. So in today's video, I thought I'd go ahead and make a matching centerpiece for my table that matches the DIY wreath that I just made, and this is what I have left over from the previous project. I did run out of the darker shade of the flower, so I decided to use the remaining flowers and clovers. I considered using the remaining mesh, but I couldn't see a way to add that in. If you have any ideas, feel free to let me know in the comments below. But I go ahead and start from the top and just try to guess how I would like it arranged, and once I was satisfied, I went ahead and just started putting in the sides with glue because I knew that I wanted it to be a pattern anyways. So in all my previous videos where I do the DIY centerpieces, I actually do not remove the plastic off of this floral foam because I already know that hot glue is going to cause it to melt anyways, and honestly I don't like the touch or the feel of floral foam directly on my fingers. I don't know if that sounds weird. I feel like I'm the only person that ever talks about it, so it might just be me. But regardless, I decided to keep the plastic on and just proceed with just adding the florals where I want them and then gluing them in. And I go ahead and glue them in over the top of the plastic and then immediately stick the floral stems into that spot, if that makes sense. Once I have that all glued in, I go ahead and glue in the parts to the top, and then any remaining empty spaces, I go ahead and fill them up with the remaining clovers that I still have on hand. I go ahead and repeat the process of filling in all the empty spaces so that the whole thing looks full and that you can't see any part of the original floral foam or the plastic. I also am trying my best to use as many of the clovers as possible so that I don't have to worry about what to do with the remaining pieces. Even though I already know that I'm going to end up putting the remaining pieces just inside of the centerpiece box. If you can manage to get your hands on some LED lights from Dollar Tree that are in the shape of clovers, you can use that instead of fairy lights to wrap around this floral arrangement. I'm opting to maybe try that another time simply because I've not been able to find any of them in any of the stores by me. Feel free to, of course, make this your own and embellish it in any way you wish. I ended up just leaving it pretty simple because after trying to add in some additional embellishments like coins or this sparkling 3-leaf clover from one of the floral stems, I noticed that I just wasn't all that into it, so I decided just to keep it out altogether. If you've been following my channel for a while, please let me know in the comments below which of my centerpieces is your favorite. So here I am just switching out my Valentine's Day centerpiece with my St. Patrick's Day centerpiece. And it would look really great with the shamrock lights, or if you prefer fairy lights, you can do that as well. And lastly, I wanted to go ahead and throw in my glitter picks from the floral stems I purchased, and I had some remaining as far as coins and clovers were concerned, so I try to place them where I think it would look nice. Let me know what you think in the comments below, and this is the final result. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, comment, and subscribe for more, and we'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Bye.